The Crucible by Arthur Miller is set in Puritan Salem, Massachusetts in 1692. The community is centered around their strong religious faith in the Bible. Salem is a theocratic society where government and religious laws are the same. If a citizen fails to follow these laws, they are a sinner and a threat to the Puritan way of life. Personal enjoyment, especially for women, is forbidden. Similarly, in the rest of Massachusetts Bay Colony, Puritans are banishing or killing anyone who is different. This social environment creates the perfect conditions for the Salem witch trials to take place.
In the Crucible, a girl gets sick and her illness is blamed on witchcraft. Women start blaming people of being witches for their own personal benefit. The church uses the girls as evidence to charge the victims. If the accused do not confess, they are hanged.
Eugenics is the idea of improving the human race by preventing people believed to be inferior from reproducing. It was invented in the United States in the early 20th century. The idea was to create an environment with no unintelligent people by preventing those people from having children. Through the eugenics program, females and males were considered to be feeble-minded, were sterilized so that they could not reproduce. Around 70,000 people were sterilized during this time. The eugenics article is an example of a witch hunt. The United States Supreme Court decision of Buck v. Bell, the forced sterilization laws, and the eugenics movement all supported the idea of getting rid of people who are different by claiming they would be born feeble-minded. This relates to the witch hunt because in Salem they were getting rid of people who were different by claiming they were witches. People are afraid of change in minority. When the eugenics movement was going on, people who are immigrants and minorities were targeted. In both the Crucible and during the eugenics movement, society was trying to eliminate a minority of people that were different from living among the majority. The lesson that we can learn from the witch trials and the eugenics movement is that fear of change and prejudice can make even an organized society do cruel acts and make very bad decisions.